Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add notes to your Instagram account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Instagram. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com, use the shortcut on the toolbar. That will take us directly to the website. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Then go to profile that we are on now. On top of our profile photo, we have a speech bubble that says note. If I click into this, this will open up a new window or prompt within the web browser that allows us to share a thought, let's just say CSV, and then use an emoji to say 100. The note that we are sharing is shared with followers that you all follow back. Or we can change this to just close friends. Let's just keep it the way it is. Click on share. As you can see on top, the note is CSV 100. If you're scrolling through, let's just say messages, your note will be on top depending on if you're a friend or if you follow that account. Let's just go to messages, go to general, and there we go. That's what other individuals would see on their account if they were, let's just say, scrolling through their messages, and my note were to pop up on top of their screen. So we can now go back to profile. If we want to, we can remove the note, leave a new note, or delete note. Let's delete that note. As you can see, the note is no longer visible on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.